It's almost a year ago that the planning application to extend the railway into the town of Bala was refused. This provoked a public outcry the like of which I've never known. Humbled by this support, we set about resubmitting our application. And here we are, 12 months later, all the work has been done and the application is now in for consideration. Thanks to the support and incredible generosity from our supporters and donors from all over the world, but particularly from the town, we have raised a further £120,000 in addition to the £250,000 that we've already spent on the application. This was to update and amend the original reports and surveys to give much greater detail that would all form part of the new submission. The extent of the detail that we have supplied is unprecedented, and we've attempted to address every single detail and concern that was raised by the stakeholders in the previous application. While nothing is certain in this life, we have done everything that we can to allay the fears and concerns that were raised by the National Park. It is encouraging to hear that departments such as Welsh Highways, Gwynedd Archaeological Department and Cadw have all withdrawn their previous objections. Welsh Water and Natural Resources Wales have informed us that the Bala Wastewater Treatment Works has now been given a phosphate permit, setting the limits of the phosphate discharge allowed into the River Dee. There is also headroom for our project to go ahead and still be within those limits. This is a big step forward. Now the application has been submitted and it's in the public domain, people can now voice their own opinions. Please help us show the Planning Committee of the Park that this project is wanted, needed and will succeed. Follow the link at the bottom of the screen and that will take you to the application where you can voice your own personal views. The next time we meet, I hope very much that I will be holding the most valuable piece of paper in the whole of North Wales. All of us at the Bala Lake Railway would like to sincerely thank all our donors and supporters who've maintained the belief in what we're doing for so long. I promise you, we will get this done and we will deliver the railway into Bala. Thank you.